Hi, my name is Dhvanay. Welcome to Animate CC class. Now today we will learn about the lightning effect due to thunder. So see my screen. I will share to you. To do this, create a new fresh document in this. Go to File, New, and click on OK. In that, you go to any type of tool like this. You make lots of sound like this one, this also, or even here also. It looks like the thunder, right? Now this also looks like the thunder, like this. This is called the thunder. Now see this. I will go to modify the document settings. Then in that, the stage color should be dark blue, like this. And when you select this, move up to here. And the color should be always white for thunder. When I will draw something here like this. Now this is also called as thunder, like this. Next, go to layer number 2. In that, you draw one rectangle or a square using rectangle tool shortcut key R, and you use thunder color like this, and you make little bit from here to here like this. Even you press S for ink bottle tool, and this color should be always be blue. And you do layer number 1 and move it upside like this. Now this is called the thunder. Now I will color this thunder using ink bottle tool shortcut key S. Select this. Only select the layer number 1 like this. Press A or S for ink bottle tool when you select it. And you use as the purple color always. Whitish purple color. Use this type of colors. Then you go to colors in window menu and click on color. With shortcut keys Control plus Shift plus F9. And the white will be white and black will be double click on these black like this. Here. And you can color this in the purplish color like this. Now this is called as under color. Next, press on erase or click on eraser tool shortcut key E. in layer number 1. E like this, and you use large circles like this. Press F6 here. Again you press F6 like this, and you erase the all lines at a time like this. Now see how, look at this. I will undo first. Okay. Again redo. Now see how it likes. Now this sky is empty. Now see this. In every frame here, right click, insert keyframe, and click on key for paint bucket tool, and you color this in this color, right? This. The purplish color, like this. And here it should be white. Insert keyframe, and it should be in white color. Now see this. Here it should be purple. Then F5. I will undo. Here F6. K. You color this in this color. And like this, you continue till intervals. Okay. Like this, how I am doing. After two frames, you have to put white and blue like this. Now you look how it is looking like. Now I will test this. You can see this out. Now it is lightning heavily. You copy the frame like this. When you also copy the frames here, I will undo and copy frames. Tell how much it is, about 36. So 36 we have to do double like this. Right click on this and click on paste frames. reverse frames like this. Right? Yes. Again, you reverse this, reverse frames here, and here also reverse frames. Like this. Then click on Control J. The frame rate should be as 35. Click on OK. Now see this. I will test this how it looks. Oh, it looks like a thunder. But don't worry, it don't get in real. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.